Hello, hello, hello! Doc Bryce here. Another tip. Bakit tayo tumataba ngayon? Dahil sa mga ultra-processed foods. These are low in protein, fiber, and water. Kaya we need protein, we need fiber, we need water to make us full. Overeat na mga ultra-processed, malabo ang in moderation. It is not designed for that. Why? Craving, tumataas, addiction, lumalala. You will be dependent on this ultra-processed food. Kaya akala nyo, ayaw nyo na, kain pa rin kayo ng kain. Pero, if you eat real food, nutrient-dense food, whole food, mabubusog kayo, hindi kayo nagugutom, walang cravings. Adapt and evolve. Be the best version of yourself. Bye!